In the previous video we saw how to build a investigation manually. That required a little bit of mouse clicking. In this video we will see how we can build this investigation a lot easier with a lot fewer mouse clicks using the ribbons buttons. Here you have the investigation that we built in the last video with the continuous logs and the discrete logs. And now I will show you how you can build the same investigation with a lot fewer mouse clicks. So what I'll do is I will open a Petrel 3D window, and then I will be displaying the same data that I'll be displaying the data that we want to do analysis on. So again, we will look at the permeability, porosity, and V-shale logs, the zone log, and the facies log, and of course the wells that we want to include in this investigation. So here you see the wells and all the logs that we want to do analysis on. So to build the investigation from this, I go to the Windows tab in Standard Petrel, and here you get access to the Create Blueback Investigation ribbons button. So when you click the drop down arrow, you get different options. You can either just build the investigation in case you want to manipulate it further before you start plotting, or you can go ahead, build the investigation and plot in one of the plotting windows directly. So first we'll just try and create the Blueback investigation. It prompts you for a name. That is to remind you that every time you run one of these operations, an actual investigation will be built. So I click OK, and now the tool will build the investigation of all the data that we're displaying in the 3D window. So here you see we've got the exact same investigation as the one we built manually, with V-shale, permeability, porosity, spatial dimensions, and discrete dimensions. And we've given it a name already, and you see that it's been saved over here in the Blueback Investigations folder. Let's just have a look at the direct plotting options. So let's say we want to build this investigation and plot it directly. So we can build the investigation and plot that investigation directly in a cross-plot window. Again, prompts for a name, because now we're actually building the identical investigation one more time, and that's not practical, but that was just for demoing purposes. So now we're building this investigation and plotting it directly in one of the windows. But ideally you would just build the investigation once using the ribbons buttons and then do the plotting directly from that investigation. So the ribbons method is good for relatively small data sets. It is not recommended to use the ribbons button for huge data sets like 3D seismic or very big 3D models, because then the actual building will take a long time and processing will take a long time. I will cover how to build investigations from 3D seismic in a later video. Thank you very much for watching.